Workforce WF-7720 is a product from the Epson brand. The company produces the printer only in a black version. It thus limits your choice, but the color is attractive as it is not affected by dirt or satins. It can blend well with your home and workspace. The monochrome printing speed of the WF-7720 printer is rated at 18 pages per minute, ppm, while the printing speed of color pages is rated at 10 ppm. It has an average speed on par with comparable printers now available on the market. In addition, I determined the speed rates by testing the printer's speed. I put the printer through its paces by printing 10 pages of black and white paper and colorful PowerPoint presentations. I could record a print speed of 14 pages per minute for the black and white documents, but only 8 pages per minute for the color PowerPoints. I recorded rates far slower than the printer's advertised or claimed speeds. Epson printers are well known for their quality output, and WF-7720 is no exception. The printer uses precision core technology which ensures advanced print quality. The simpler reason is that precision core print heads use tiny ink droplets to produce more detailed pictures. To evaluate the print quality of the Epson WF-7720, I printed texts using a variety of fonts and sizes on a wide range of paper sizes using a wide variety of paper sizes. The reproduction of the text was done well. The borders of the text were quite crisp. For testing photo printing, I printed photographs on both photo paper in various sizes and regular paper. The sharpness of the printer was on full display when I tested out a few high-resolution images and blew them out to 13 inches by 19 inches. The results were stunning. The color prints were a very accurate representation of the tonality and hue of the originals. I experimented with printing on plain paper in 11x17 and 8.5x11 dimensions. It was to be anticipated that the picture would have a reduced quality when printed on ordinary paper, yet, the color matching and detail were still quite high. Except for a few instances of light banding and certain colors and grays that seemed darker than they should have, the business charts and graphs I produced looked fine. However, depending on how particular you are, most of our business-related charts, papers, and handouts looked excellent enough to be used in most business situations. We ran tests on both text documents and images to evaluate how well the Epson WF-7720 functions as a scanner. When I attempted scanning text with the ADF, it chopped off text on the right side of the page, rendering the document feeder worthless for papers. I was thrilled to find that the ADF accepts up to 11x17 paper, the entire scanner bed size. The scanner misread the paper size. I scanned an 11 3/4 x 16.5 picture on the scanner bed for image scanning. The detail and color matching was excellent. The lowest setting of the scanner, which has a range of 200 dpi to 1200 by 2400 dpi, was nevertheless pleasing to the eye. The highest setting is excellent for enlarging tiny photographs. The WF-7720 printer is a wide-format printer, thus using more ink than other normal printers. Therefore, you need that the printer should save you operational costs. I computed the cost per page, CPP, for black pages at 3.2 cents and color pages at 11.4 cents using Epson's quoted page yields and costs for the highest yield ink cartridges for this printer. It is crucial to remember that these figures apply to standard size pages, not wide format. The printer has a mobile application which makes printing quite easy. It's practical, uncomplicated, and easy to use, and it makes printing from your mobile device or cloud storage services like Box, Microsoft OneDrive, Evernote, Google Drive, and Dropbox a breeze. The app's document capturing capability is useful even if you don't use an Epson Workforce WF-7720. When you photograph a document, it is stored in the same way as a scanned document would be. In addition to being able to crop the document at an angle other than 90 degrees, the tool also allows for precise trimming of the four corners. Printing a document from your phone is useful if you need a hard copy in a hurry. I also tested mobile app-based scanning concurrent with printing from the WF-7720 and found that it functioned normally. On the other hand, the PC program is very awkward. The computer's scanning program might be rather intimidating at first. The application bombarded me with options the moment I launched it. Presets that would automatically adapt for text on images were not an option. After I got beyond that, scanning was simple, and the program opened a window where I could save the file. Conveniently, the scan was already where I expected it to be when I finished. The WF-7720 weighs 47.8 pounds and has dimensions of 16.5 by 22.3 by 19.1 inches. The WF-7720 can accept up to 501 sheets of paper from various sources, including two 250-sheet drawers up front and a single-sheet override tray at the rear. The two cassettes have the same capacity as their predecessor, which is 13 by 19-inch media, 20 sheets of quality picture paper, and 10 number 10 envelopes. The WF-7720's redesigned control panel is the most noticeable update. More space has been given to the buttons and the number pad, and the touchscreen is roughly an extra square inch in size, making it simpler for those with clumsy or fat fingers to tap on icons. Our review of the Epson Workforce WF-7720 shows that it is one of the finest wide-format printers. It prints quickly and reliably, and the results are of the highest quality. However, you will have to bear the high running cost and moderately loud operational sound.